Hi friends, it's Teacher Darcy, and today I'm picking out the pumpkin seeds from our pumpkins. We use a lot of the parts of the pumpkins when we pick them. We like to cook the seeds. Let's separate the seeds from the rest of the pumpkin goo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to take a long time. Maybe we should speed things up a little bit. Wow, that's a lot of pumpkin seeds. What else can we pick the seeds out of? How about this pickle? Let's give it a try. That sure is a lot of work for not very many seeds. And you can just eat the seeds of the pickle, which I did. Let's get back to pumpkin seeds. First, we put them on cooking sheets with a little bit of salt and oil. Here they are, all stirred up and in the middle of cooking. Wait till they cool down. And here they are all nice and cooked. They're so tasty and so good for you too. Try some. So good. What else can we pick seeds from? This is a delicata squash. We also got it from the pumpkin patch. The insides look a lot like a pumpkin, but it tastes different. You scoop it out kind of the same. Inside, the seeds are much smaller than in a pumpkin, and it's a lot easier to scrape out. Now let's take a look at these seeds. They're very small. Let's see how they compare to pumpkin seeds. The squash seeds are a lot smaller, and even when they're cooked, the pumpkin seeds are a lot bigger. Let's get to cooking our squash. First, preset the oven to 375 degrees. Using a medium-sized glass casserole dish, line it with foil. This pan is 6 inches by 9 inches. Then, put both halves of your scraped squash inside. Poke a few holes in the bottom and add some butter to taste. After an hour, it's really hot. Listen to it sizzle. I've never had this kind of squash before. Let's see if I like it. So tasty. It's good to try new foods sometimes, and this is a member of the Clean Plate Club. Be safe, be healthy, and remember, you're so very loved.